Hello.
Good morning, everyone. Basant is wishing you a very happy World Environment Day. This year, that is on the 5th June 2021, the theme is to reimagine, recreate, and restore what? The environment. The environment has always protected us without fail. The food that we eat, the water that we drink, the air that we breathe, it's all coming from environment. Even if we are working on the laptop or playing in the ground, whatever we are doing, the environment exists around us. So it's our duty to protect it too, because it is protecting us. With our very insincere actions like throwing waste, not in the dustbin, but lying on the ground, throwing litter on the ground, not taking care of our own waste, and wasting water while brushing or while doing anything. We are wasting while bathing, we are wasting water. So, all these little actions lead to environment pollution, be it water pollution or air pollution or soil pollution. And adversely, we're not realizing now, but ultimately, in the end, it will harm us not in little manner, but in a very huge manner that we won't be able to handle, which is actually happening. So it's our duty now to give back to the environment because it has always protected us. So it's our duty to return the favor. So now this year, let's promise ourselves and let's take very tiny and little steps. Starting from the very first step that we can take is to not waste water. This is the very first step and the most feasible step, because we don't have to do anything. We just have to not waste, which will make us feel positive also at the same time, because not wasting anything will give us a feeling that yes, we are saving for somebody else. Somebody else can use that water, and we'll be always guilt free. The very first thing, and it's a very small step that we can all take. Can we promise? If yes, then please nod yes. Then second promise, we should not waste food. Just don't waste it. You can take smaller quantity in the first go and then take it, then refill it. It's very simple. It's a little habit that you can instill in your lifestyle, in your daily routine. If yes, then again nod yes. Then third thing that we can do is we should not, I don't know if I'm asking too much, we can avoid smoking. One can avoid smoking. Just that. I leave it here, right here. And any other step, if you think is feasible and practical, then let me know in the comment section. Today, I am promising myself that I will plant a little plant. It could be of a flower or anything. I have made it a point that I'll plant tulsi in my balcony. So you all can also do that. And if you think it's not feasible for you, then maybe you can germinate in a glass. You might have a glass in your home, bottle, any bottle that you're not using, a coffee bottle or anything. You can plant something in that too. So whatever is your wish, you can do that. And let me know what you are going to do today to protect the environment. And yes, I've written a blog. You can read it on the website of Javanna Herbals, that is www.javannas.com, about the environment. And if you have taken any step to protect it, let me know. Thank you for watching, and again wishing you a very happy Environment Day, because this environment that you are going to improve will ultimately help you. So be selfish and protect your environment. Thank you.
These are some of the plantations sent to us by our very precious clients of Javanna Herbals because they feel very close to nature when they use the products of Javanna Herbals. And these are some of the feedbacks and the things that they did to protect the environment and them giving back to the environment. This is my grandmother who did her bit in protecting the environment. She also felt close to the nature. If you have anything to share, then you are most welcome. Do not forget to like and subscribe.